Hello, boys and girls. In today's math lesson, you're going to learn how to write number sentences. In yesterday's lesson, we modeled addition by using the part, whole, using a work map. Well, today, you're going to actually write the number sentence using numbers and symbols. Okay, so I'm going to turn my screen around and I'm going to show you some examples. Okay, so addition number sentences, chapter 1, lesson 3. So here we have an equal sign, which means the same as. And then the sum is the answer to an addition number sentence or the answer to an addition problem. So our learning objective is to write addition number sentences. By the end of today's lesson, you should know how to write addition number sentences. So let's take this example. Here I have some counters. Remember that a number represents how many of something we have. So I'm going to ask, how many red counters do I have? And so we have to count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the number 4 represents the number of counters I have. So I write the number 4. Then I want to know how many yellow counters do I have. So I have to count them. 1, 2. So the number 2 represents how many counters I have. Now, in order to find how many counters I have in all, we join the two groups together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer to this problem is 6. Now, the 4, the symbol plus, which means to join or to add to, and the second number 2, followed by the equal sign, and the number 6 is called your addition number sentence. So this is the symbol plus, and this is the symbol equal. In order to have an addition number sentence, you need to have a plus sign, you need to have an equal sign. And the two numbers that you are joining together, because the plus symbol means to add to or to join. And the 6 is the answer or the sum of this addition number sentence or the addition problem. Okay? So I'm going to turn my screen around and give you some more examples, and we're going to write. Okay? So how many counters do I have here? How many yellow counters do I have? 1, 2. So I will write the number 2. And the number represents how many of something I have. The something is the counters. How many red counters do I have? The answer is 1. So I will write the number 1. How many counters do I have in all? So I'm going to join or add. Using this plus sign, I'm going to join these two together, these two groups together, and count how many I have in all. 1, 2, 3. So the answer I put here, the sum of 2 plus 1 is 3. And that is my addition number sentence. 2 plus 1 equals 3. That's my addition number sentence. Now, this is another way you can write addition number sentence. My sum is going to be on this side, and my numbers are going to be on this side to represent how many of something I have. So how many yellow counters do I have? 1, 2, 3. I write the number. How many red counters do I have? 3. So I write the number. Now I'm going to join the two groups together or add the two groups together and find out how many counters in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll write the number. So this is just another way of writing an addition number sentence. I still have my plus and I have my equal symbol. This equal means it's the same as. These two numbers, when you add them or join them, is the same as the number 6. The value is the same. 3 plus 6 equals 6 equals or is the same as 6. Now let's look at these two numbers. 4 plus 1. Is that an addition number sentence? No, this is not an addition number sentence. Why? Because it doesn't have an equal sign, nor does it have a sum. This is just like having a statement. So this is not an addition number sentence. Okay, now you're going to grab your worksheet. You're going to go to worksheet, lesson number 3, chapter 1, lesson 3, addition number sentences. Place this here. Okay, remove some of these off the way. Okay, you're going to be using your connecting cubes and you're going to like trace over them. So it says use connecting cubes to model. There are 4 children playing tag. 2 more children join them. How many children are playing tag in all? Trace the cubes. Write the addition number sentence. So I have 4 children playing tag. So altogether they're saying there's 4. And then they have 2 more children come to join them. So I'm going to take my connecting cubes, and I hope you can see them. I'm going to trace them. So I have 4. It's going to take a while to trace. And because of the surface that I'm writing on, I have this board is going to be hard. But what you would do is just trace over them. I'm just going to draw a square. 1, 2, hope you get the idea. 3, 4. That would be my connecting cubes. I don't want my board to fall. Okay, and then it says 2 more children join them. So I would use a different color to represent 2 more children join them. Okay, and I would draw 2 more. Okay, and then it says to write how many children are playing tag in all. So I have to write the number sentence. So the first one was my 4. So here was my 4. My 4 children playing tag. So I write that here. Okay. Then it says 2 more came to join them. Here are my 2 more that came to join them. And I write that number here. How many do I have in all? So we try to make this a little darker. So I have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I write the number 6. There are 6 children playing tag in all. Okay, so now I'm going to turn my page to the see and show. And I want to use my counters instead because they show up better. Okay. So it says you can write an addition number sentence. See, so they're going to show you some pictures. These are kites. So 3 blue kites and 2 red kites. 3, this is what you would say. 3 plus 2 red kites equals, and the sum is, you count how many you have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they trace, you would trace the number 5. The 5 is equal to your sum. The 3 and the 2 represents how many you have, how many kites you have. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now you want to write the number sentence. 3, you trace. The symbol for plus, this is your symbol, so you have to write this plus, because every addition number sentence has a plus symbol. And then 2 represents the 2 red kites. So you trace the 2 equals, then the sum, which is the answer to an addition problem or addition number sentence. Trace the 5, and there's your addition number sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So number 1, it says write an addition number sentence. So these are called balloons. How many green balloons do we have? We have 2. So you write the number 2. How many purple balloons do you have? You have 2. So we write 2 here. Now we need to write some symbols in these circles. Every addition number sentence must have a plus symbol. So here's your plus symbol. So I will write the plus inside the circle. And then we need an equal sign. So I will write the equal sign. Now to find how many balloons there are in all, I have to join and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write the number 4. Now I'm going to do number 2. I hope you can see this okay. Try to bring it up a little closer. Okay. Now these are airplanes. How many gold airplanes? We have 2. How many blue airplanes? We have 1, 2, 3. Now we have these circles because they want us to write some symbols inside these circles. So every addition number sentence must have a plus sign and an equal sign, because the plus sign means you have to join the 2 groups. So 2 plus 3 equals. Now you join them and count how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 airplanes in all. I like how my 5 look. Number 3, these are yo-yos. When you look at your paper, you'll see the little strings. Kind of faint, can't hardly see them. So how many yellow yo-yos do we have? 3. How many blue yo-yos do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in order to find how many we have in all, you must join the 2 groups and then add your plus symbol and your equal symbol and count how many there are in all. So 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Number 4. These look like dump trucks. I'll just call them trucks. Could be just cars. How many blue cars do we have? 1, 2, 3. How many green cars do we have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we got to join the two groups of cars. Write a symbol. 3 plus 3 equals, so count how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the number 6. Talk math. What does this symbol plus mean? What does this plus symbol mean? Okay, what does it mean? It means plus or join or add. So I'm going to write the words plus. Move it up so you can see. It means plus, comma, join, or add. Okay, or add to. All right, so now, boys and girls, you are going to do, that was page 24 of See and Show. You're going to complete on my own. This is page 25. On my own, write an addition number sentence to numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so don't forget to write in your symbols. If you don't, it won't be considered an addition number sentence. And then you're going to write your name. You're going to post this page, which is page 25, to your Seesaw journal. Then your homework. You're going to write your name on both sides of your homework. Read the homework helper. It says you can write an addition number sentence. 2 bathing suits plus 4 goggles equals, you count how many swimming wear you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. This is your addition number sentence. Why? Because it has a plus sign and it has an equal sign and your sum. And you're going to complete this practice part here. Write an addition number sentence. They already gave you the pictures. And you have to count, write your symbols, and your sum. Okay, this is page 27. Turn it over to the back. Write your name on the top. Complete numbers 5 through 10. Here you're going to write in your symbols and your numbers. Okay? Read the numbers. Okay? Have a parent help you read this. Write in your numbers. Then your vocabulary check. Draw lines to match. So here's your words, addition number sentence. Which one on this side is an addition number sentence? Is it this sentence here or is it this sentence? So you would draw a line to one of them. Which one is a sum? Is it this the sum or is this statement here, this sentence right here, is that the meaning of a sum? So you would draw a line pointing to the correct answer. You will take a picture of this page. This is page 28 and post it to your Seesaw journal. So how many pages are you posting to your Seesaw journal? 2 of them. 2. I forgot to tell you about the problem solving page. Number 13 and number 14. You read the problem solving, you write in the answer and the numbers and the symbols for number 13 and number 14. And then write math. What does this equal sign mean? What does it mean? And you would have to go back to my instructions, which is the same as. It means the same as. So I'm going to write that. Equal the sign or the symbol means same as. The same as. Period. Okay? And this page is what you're going to post to your Seesaw journal. So that's the problem solving page, page 26, and your homework page 28. These are the two pages you will post to your journal. Okay? All right, boys and girls. Enjoy. I hope I explained everything. You understand everything. And if you don't, just send me a message, okay? Or you can ask me during the office hours. All right, boys and girls. Goodbye.